Hello my friends, it's Danny and I'm so excited to share with you that the Clean and Delicious cookbook is officially here. Clean and Delicious with Danny Spies, eat clean and get healthy with 100 whole ingredient recipes. This is something I've been thinking about doing for many years. It's something you all have been asking me to do for many years, so I feel like this is truly something that we have done together. Now, inside this book, you're going to find some Clean and Delicious classics, along with brand new recipes that you have never seen before. And I also share some thoughts and tips on how to approach eating well without slipping into an all or nothing or diet mentality. And then, of course, there's plenty of Clean and Delicious basics as well. Now, the exciting news is that the book is available for pre-order today. All you have to do is go down to the description box below and click the link, and you can order your copy there. Now, I do know this is a very busy time of the year, so as a thank you for those of you who take the time to pre-order the book, I would like to gift you my 2 Clean and Delicious ebooks. I have one on banana and ice creams, and I have one on delicious, easy, yummy salad recipes. So once you order the book, just email me your proof of purchase to cleancookbook@gmail.com, and I will send you those ebooks. I am really so grateful to have had the opportunity to create this book and to, of course, share it with you. And I plan to share more in the near future. But in the meantime, if you have any thoughts, questions, or comments, please bring them down to the comment section below so we can chat. Okay, my dear friends, I promise to see you back here next week with some brand new Clean and Deliciousness. Cheers.